Just picked up this ionic foot spa and I'm so excited to give it a go. Right out of the box, it includes everything you need, including a very detailed user manual. There's also the power cable and unit, as well as the star of the show, the ion array. Everything you need, neatly packed in one box. Setting up the foot spa was quick and easy. First, I filled up the basin with warm water. I then added some salt along with the included spoon. Lastly, I plugged in the array into the power source and then I placed it in the center of the basin. It was that simple. Now I'll explain how this actually works and why it's way more than just a foot bath. The ionic foot spa uses an ionization to release negatively charged electrons into salted water. These electrons are absorbed by the body and they bind to the free radicals and the heavy metals, which are known to cause inflammation. It's like grounding, but faster and much more powerful. The color change in the water is attributed to the actual process. It's a sign that it's working. After about 10 minutes, this is how the water appeared. It had a slight tint to it. I knew the process was working. The foot spa feels warm and relaxing. It's kind of like a gentle tingle as it runs. It's very quiet and so easy to set up. Each session ideally should run for about 30 minutes. I would check in every 5 minutes while the detox was taking place, and it's very interesting how much the color changes over time. After 25 minutes, I had a dark brown. It looks very much like dirt. It's a wonder what we have in our bodies. I was so happy to get it out. Immediately, you start to feel a bit different. It's almost like your feet feel noticeably lighter. I wasn't expecting such a difference. The water turned into this murky color, which was quite shocking to see. I felt more relaxed, and I could tell you that later that night, I slept really well. Over time, this thing is said to improve circulation, reduce swelling, and even help with joint soreness. If you're looking into wellness, detoxing, or just want to unwind at the end of a long day, this foot spa is definitely worth checking out.